Starting right now, decide that you won't take any new decision in a bad state. This is very important. Decisions are one of the main filters of our subconscious mind, and most of them were installed already during our childhood. So, what I want to do with this exercise today is that from now on, you won't take any new decision if you identify that you're stressed, in a very bad mood, or depressed, or something is wrong and you feel not very good to make a decision. But sometimes you are pressed, and there are quick exercises which you can take to just change your mood very quickly. The mind and the body influences each other, and we can use both in order to change our state very quickly. First, you can start using the traffic light system. Red, yellow, and green. What are you doing on red? Stop. Identify that, okay, I need to take a decision right now, but my state is not proper to take a good decision. This is your first important thing to do. Why is that? Because once you need to take a decision and you are stressed, be aware that that decision won't be good. Statistically, will be a bad decision. You don't want that. So, what happens in your body? Your blood flow goes to the extremities, your muscles, and so you're not very wise in those moments. Everything is in that fight or flight mood, like probably you know about this. Yes, some of the blood goes to your brain too, but your primitive brain, the amygdala, and so there are the emotions, there is the emotional center, and those decisions are not logical, are not based on facts, but only emotions, and you don't want that. So if your blood is not here in the prefrontal cortex, then you cannot take the best decisions, and you just need to chill it down. And now it comes the yellow from the traffic light. You need to relax. What can you do? You can start with your brain, with the thinking process, staying in a comfortable position and start thinking about good things in your life. The most effective way is to take a list. You can write it down also, or just think about it, visualize it. Find 5 things you're grateful for in your life today. Finding those things, it's impossible to not trigger those good mechanisms which will change your biochemistry, and you will start to relax and feel good about your life, because anyone can find things to be grateful for. Even that you're alive is one of them. And as soon as your list will be finished, you will feel a lot better. And this can assure you a better decision than before, guaranteed. So use this if you find it that it suits you and it's more practical for your kind of approach and your type of personality. The second type of things which you can do is to use your body to change your mood. And here we will start with breathing. Breathing is very important because it comes with the oxygen which will just float into your body, and this naturally will relax and detense your muscles. What can you do for this? What type of breathings exist which can change this? There are several techniques. One of them is like mindfulness. Just close your eyes and start noticing your breathing without anything else. Like inhale. What do you notice? What do you observe in your body? Then exhale. What do you notice? What do you observe in your body? And repeat this for 5 minutes and your state will change. A second type of breathing exercise is the sequence type of exercise, when you can inhale for 5 seconds, keep 5 seconds, exhale 5 seconds, keep 5 seconds, and repeat this for 5 minutes. If you want to go overboard, then you can go to 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes sequences each, and do this for a couple of minutes. Your state will change, and this is so important also, and it's connected to epigenetics. If you start keeping your breathing with or without oxygen in your body, you will start to be more prepared for any kind of stress environment and stressful things around you. And this can be explained very well because, especially when you don't have air inside your body, you exhale and keep it as long as you can, your body will trigger stress. But body stress is good for reset, full body reset. It's found that it's good for longevity also and for a general overall good health for yourself. So as long as you stress your body in different kind of situations, you signalize the amygdala again that there is a stressful force around and needs to reset the entire body, activate cells, more cells like before, and your good genes can become active. Maybe some dormant genes which were not active before. Just think about this. Every time you do this breathing exercise and you keep your air out for a longer period of time, you will reset your body. And just playing with this inhale, keep, exhale, keep, you will revigor your body, strengthen it up, and also become less stressed and relaxed. This is a very good exercise to do it on a daily basis for you, because you will find yourself in a better state and better health after you continue doing this. And the third thing, what you can do, use your body language. Because if the body influences the mind as well, then you can use it in your favor. What you can do, there are some type of body postures, power states, which are not compatible with a stress state or a depressed state. One of them, my most favorite, and we usually laugh a lot in my trainings when I do this, is just stay like this, straighten up. Yes, open your arms, look up, and smile, even if it's forced. And stay like this for 2 minutes. Every body position can change your state in 2 minutes if you stay in the right position. And you cannot get depressed like this or stressed like this. First, it's forced, but later on, you will find yourself in a comical situation or in a funny kind of state. And this is also better than being stressed. Another power state is to straighten up your chest in front like this, your shoulders go down and a little bit in the back. This signalizes the body you are not threatened. Because if you're threatened, how your body reacts? It's a little bit tense like this. It comes in front. You feel your muscles. You feel your blood flows comes to the muscles. And you can just feel that tension inside your cells. But if you stay like this with your shoulders like this, a little bit in the back, then they signalize the body that, okay, you are not stressed right now, you are not jeopardized by anything. And you stay like this for 2 minutes and you will feel a lot better. And the third one is another power position with your legs on your desk. Okay, I cannot reproduce this here, but I put a picture for you. So this is that power state you can take also to relax. You can use these positions anywhere. I constantly say this, especially that I work with executives and in leadership teams. You can just go, excuse yourself to go to the bathroom and use one of the positions. And when you come back, you're not stressed anymore. When you need to sign contracts, you need to make important decisions. As more important the decision, then your state is even more important. Now that you are relaxed, we can go to the green light. What you are doing after you relax yourself and you are ready to make decisions. First, you evaluate. Now think about the possibilities and the options you have on the table. And from this perspective, calm perspective, take the best option you can have on the table. And this will be a lot better decision than anything else in a stress mood. Never let yourself push too hard or constrain to take a decision when you're not ready. You can always take at least 2 minutes somewhere to just breathe or relax or use a body posture and come back a renewed person with your brain functioning well, seeing all the options which you didn't saw before when you were stressed. So use this for your own benefit, and since you decided that you won't take any bad decision from now on in a negative state, now you are prepared for the best decisions of your life.